All right, welcome to the lab. I have a little new setup with the stream overlay. Yeah. All right. Am I ready? I am. And how are we looking for the screen? Is it too big? Too small? A little bit more. Yeah, it's a little bit of delay for me. That should look fine. All right. So what I'm doing today is I am at a place right now with the project where it's really close to our alpha release. So I'm gonna be creating staging applications server. I'll delete this after the stream, but just to get something up and running. Let's just do Helsinki, $3. Let's see if that runs. So this one, this now just goes through, provisions the server on Hetzner, I think. The keys for Hetzner, runs all the installed scripts. So once that is done, we can actually get started implementing it. What I want to do is go to deploy create here, and in servers and in staging, I have these logs right here for all the different services we run on the server, and I want to showcase them here. And it's not displaying right now because I'm updating the operator to 14.5, which the production server does not have yet, and the staging server does not also have yet. But this thing we are installing here should have the latest create operator agent, where we can actually start to build out the logs. So that's it. Do we have a? Am I gonna? Yeah, I don't want to show the IP. So simply just letting this run, and then once that is configured, we can get started. Come on. All right, I'm gonna skip checking the credentials, at least for the duration of the stream, but now we should have a server. We do. And we are on version 13. So did I not just change that to be? All right, cool. But I can go into staging and deploy crates. That owns the server. I need to figure out how to dog boot this a little bit better, but I should be able to now say 14.5, update it, give this a refresh. No. Come on, what's happening? Disregarded, update all servers. Right. And that does not exist. Do I need to do it like, I probably need to do it like this, right? Jobs, updates, and now we have the right version. Good. So no, I don't have anything. I only have that. Yeah, okay. Doesn't matter. Alright, so this is now running on a newly provisioned server. We can create an application for it. I probably just need, because I had an application before on an older server, I need to update the targets and haven't implemented that yet. Let's see. I have not. Okay. Let's start by tackling this instead. So we get these logs here from Caddy, and I'm gonna start by let me see, views. This is the show. Right, and do we have All right. Where do I have the tabs? Right there. Okay. And in where do I have something like that in application setup? Staging. ENV tab. Yeah, we have the ENV tab that goes into so we add a selected signals. Selected service. And if I add let's select it. Primary. Yeah. So this one shouldn't have. It should. And all of them should be. All of them should be selected now. Good. And I guess we get of the value and the label. Goods and fail to ban. Yeah. Nice. What do I want to do then? Good. And then I want to do server show URL, and I wanna have routing pure param. So fetch, what is it? Service logs and the SVC value. So this one goes away and becomes hypermedia data action HTTP method gets, and we get rid of all of this. some patching, that's fine. What are we sending? Create operator blue. Yeah. What's the issue here? Okay, so this one is the issue. We don't have FMT. There we go. Okay. And what do we get? We get we don't need this one, right? And what was it? Locked service. Why do we have that? Okay. That's fine. And the selected service goes into server show with a query param as this one. Or not. Yeah. And we don't send the service here. Right, good. You only have the blue one going. Docker. Right, so it's also patching into something that it can't really figure out. Servers. What is it that I get from we get message timestamp. So I want and service the server logs entry to be nope. String priority, which I guess should be level, right? Log level and timestamp. What is the timestamp? Time, fine. Time and output then becomes right. Then what it simply just shocks. Yeah, we can't use this one. And then we need to say output should be able to make like this. Yeah, we of course cannot do this, so let's do it like views. Privacy, and finally message is gonna be message. Can we compile now? is it I do this? Yes, no. Yes. And what is this? This is right. And then message. What are we talking about? Server logs into, there we go. Right, and then in view server, I want to say server log entry. And I guess for entry into this is really poorly named. Props out put. We want to say at least have entry dot message. What does that give us? And what is it? Log level. Info. So message is just a big. Okay. Time. No. No. Timestamp. Come on. Formats. Then we do, I guess, props. That's service. Nice. Okay, so how do I actually want this thing to look in environment? Deployment? No. Deploy. Should have something. Deploy. Oh, guess it's releases. This is still a mess, but it's relatively fine. Get that cleaned up later. Okay. really not sure if this is what I want. No. Environment show. Not deploy hook, no. Secrets, no. Secrets dialog, no. Yeah, it is releases tab. That should have logs in here somewhere. This is part of the code base. There's still a little bit too much LLM generated. Okay. So it does so right. Let's do this and let's do this. Something. And then I want what div span flex call. No, flex call, then better. Okay, 4. And I don't know. Text primary. Golang time formats. It's seconds. What is it? No, I don't want kitchen. Let's do Unix date instead. Right. And let's add a little colon. The server logs. Format modules JSON. They don't have like a... maybe I should actually... put the ass back in SAS, Delania. Yep. What do I... don't really want to deal with this now. So what do I actually just wanna... show? I guess this is fine. I'm sorry. I didn't take it in the wrong way, Delaney. Sorry. I'll just let's just focus on these goddamn logs. Yeah, I think this is actually fine. Let's see what happens now. Yeah. Also fine. Sort of. Okay. Right, so I still have the ID thingy here. I guess what do I actually so I don't even patch it. That might be the reason why. No. Targets found. Okay. But this one does. We do have an ID. We just patch it in, so this is also good. Right, it might not even be related to this. So for the fact this is the issue. Yeah, sort of working. And I assume this is because I just right. I don't need to do. I need to. Need to grab. This thing right here. Get this one out of the way. And then routing. I need to grab. What did I call it? Didn't I actually set this up with I did. Selected service. Good. Nothing on green. And what are we sending now? We should be sending for Docker. Nope. Sometimes. Are they not called what they're supposed to be called? V1 logs, where are we? Yeah, Docker, failed to ban, node exporter. Okay. do select Docker. And then I'm suspecting right, and then this one should instead be this one. Okay. Caddy we do get, crate we do get, Docker we do not get. Fail to ban we also do not get. Data star. What is it? I'm trying to do polling. Do it on data. Ja. And what is the service? No entries. Okay. And then for SSH, we have no entries as well. Interesting. Node exporter as well. Fail to ban. All right, that doesn't matter. Init delay. I also need the instead I also need to do data onloads and then debounce it, right? Debounce. I remember I want to what is I want to do? I want to do this on every second. Okay. I am going to be doing this with data on interval. That's probably the one I want, right? Duration, data on interval, duration, I just do it. What's going on here? Yeah, okay. I am just stupid. Server logs. I don't want to do this. I want to do it like this. And I think my am I down? It might look like it. And now we work as expected. We're back. And it's missing 4 seconds. And set the okay, I think I'm having internet issues. Okay, and I want it to be leading. Nice. Yeah, I'm having in this trouble. I'm gonna cut it here, so at least the server logs are now working. Am I seeing any? No. Alright, gonna cut the stream here. Be back on Friday.